Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of Google Ads series, we will understand how to create your first campaign, and that is search type campaign. Search type campaign is the most common type in Google Ads dashboard because it is more oftenly used and widely, popular in terms of advertisement on Google. And what is search ad? Search ad is nothing but as simple as like anybody searching on google.com, let's say MBA course or any particular keyword, and your results are being displayed in the search result. That is called search ad. It means if somebody is searching for a particular keyword and then your advertisement are being displayed in the search engine result pages, then this kind of category of Google ad is called as search ads. And in this type of Google ad campaign, you can include any of the objective like sales, leads, website traffic, store traffic, right? So all the possible options are there. So let's understand how to create your first search campaign with all the possible options that we have understood so far and step-by-step approach. So in order to create the campaign, you will come into your Google Ads account, and from here either you can click on this button, that is new campaign, or you can click on this create button. Both the button will function the same. So just click on new campaign, click on new campaign, and here you need to first select your objective. What is your ultimate objective that you want to achieve? You want to achieve sales, leads, website traffic, app promotion, awareness, local store visit, or maybe without a goals guidance. We are currently looking for website leads, so just click on leads. And by default there will be some conversion action. We'll understand in later on videos what are the conversion action, how to set it up. Then click on continue. Scroll down and here you can see the search option is there. Just click on the search option, and from here you need to select the ways you would like to receive your goals or achieve your goals: website visit, phone call, store visit, or lead form submission. So as of now we are putting it website visit. So we are just entering our website as a dummy website. As of now you need to enter your final website or maybe the landing page URL, and once it is done then click on continue, and here you need to put it a name. So I'll just name it as search_lead. This is based on your suitability. It is not something that will be visible to the user, so it is only up to you. Now click on this continue button. Once it is done, it says if you have any saved draft campaign or not. If it is, and if you want to resume that, you can do that. Otherwise we'll click on start new campaign. So once it is done, now we are in the starting window. So it says what is the bidding option that you want to focus on. The bidding option we want to focus on by default, it is conversion value, clicks, and impression share. Depending on the type of campaign, depending on the type of objective that you want to achieve, these options may vary and may not be available or may be available in different campaign. As of now we have conversion value, clicks, and impression share. So by default we can focus on conversion, but if our account is new then we can focus on clicks as well, but our focus will be on conversion only. So we'll click on conversion. Then it says set a target cost per action. As of now no. Bid for new customers only, yes, but as of now we don't have any customer list, so just keep it as it is. We'll uncheck both these options as we want only search engine result pages to display our advertisement. And location, in terms of area, we will take let's say Delhi. We'll include this city, and whatever location you want to include you can do that. And we want people in the all languages. EU political ads, no, we don't have run EU political ads. And then click on next. Right, I'm just giving you a walkthrough that how to create a search campaign for the very first time. AI Max for search campaigns, as I told in my previous videos, that it is not something that we will switch on as of now because we don't have any such data and our account is new, fresh, without any data. So we'll just switch it off. And then keyword and asset generation. So by default we'll not take the help from the keyword generation. We'll just click on the skip button here. Skip button because we want to manually give the keywords that we have researched so far. Right now we'll just close the chat because we don't want any other support. Yes, now keywords and ads is something which is important. Keyword, it means whatever keywords you have searched so far. So let's say I want to create an ad copy for a digital marketing institute, for example coaching classes, which is in Delhi itself. And as I told you that there are three types of keyword match type, that is broad match, phrase match, and exact match. I'm going to use the phrase match because of the most relevant option and the cost effective method. So I'm just putting my keywords one by one. So I have 4 keywords: digital marketing classes, digital marketing coaching near me, and digital marketing institute. And all these are in the phrase match because of these inverted commas that I have put in, right? Now, if I scroll down, the next step is that add copy. I need to create an ad copy for my ad group so that people will see it. So final URL, it will ask for the final URL that, this will the final URL. So I just need to put the complete URL, that is https abc.com, whatever your final URL is, you need to put that exact URL. Don't use any short URL. Then display path, what will be the display path which will be visible here, right? So I am using digital hyphen marketing, right? If it exceeds, so you can just put it in the next column box, digital marketing, and we'll say class, right? So this will be the path which will be visible to the user. So you can just put it. Now comes to headline. Now there are two methods. Either Google gives you suggestion based on your keyword, or you can use AI tools in order to generate the ideas and description. That is title, and we need to generate the description as well. So these are the two things. So we'll just go to ChatGPT or AI tool, any other AI tool that you use, and I'll tell you one of the very nice prompt that you can use. Just copy paste and put your maybe businesses and everything. And there is a hack that you are not supposed to remember the prompt. You can generate the prompt based on your need. So I'll just say that create Google search ad copy for digital marketing coaching in Delhi, right? But this is not the prompt. I want ChatGPT to generate the prompt. Generate a suitable prompt for this. So I am not running this prompt. I am saying ChatGPT just generate a suitable prompt, so that ChatGPT will give me a good prompt, right? ChatGPT will give me a good prompt. I would say make it more detailed, make it more detailed, and detailed and effective, right? So I'm just asking all that give me more detailed prompt. Now it says more detailed prompt, right? So this is a detailed prompt, and now I can just ask ChatGPT to run it. So there is no problem with it. So it is a detailed prompt. Now run this prompt. So this is a very good hack for any AI tool that you use, that you first ask for the suitable prompt and then run it, so that you get maximum results, and it gives you that the results are there. So it says learn digital marketing, top courses in Delhi NCR, 100% practical training, join this, and now I have not given it the keywords which I am using. So I'll just also give the keywords. So I'll say use these keywords, and now this will update my all the ad lines and everything based on my keywords. So it is important to make a relevancy in terms of searches and your ad copy. So here it has given me, so let's say copy, first thing headline, and just scroll down, and now I need to just copy and paste. I just need to copy and paste, and since I have given the keyword as well, so it will make sure that the relevancy of the headline description will be related to keywords only. And since the limit is already there, the 30 character limit will be there only. So I'll just need to copy, paste, and you can see automatically as soon as I am putting these are being green marked, that okay, now these keywords are being covered in your headlines. Make sure that your ad strength should be at least good or excellent. It should not be poor or only somewhere needs to be improvement. And here we need to just copy the description also. So we'll just copy the description from here. Description, copy the second one. The more and more headline suggestions you will give, the more and more chances will be there to get better results. So we'll just copy and paste all the things, so that will be better for us. So we'll just remove this because it is exceeding the limit, and we'll just keep it Digital Marketing Institute. Then again we'll copy coaching near you in Delhi, right? Because it will use the combination of multiple headlines and description. Google certified trainers, if it is the case with you, then you can use this. Don't mislead your audience by faking the services that you don't provide. Just put the authentic things and put the USPs in your headlines and description as well, so that more and more people gain trust on your ads to be clicked. So include popular keywords, add headlines. This is done. Now I just need to add one more description so that the description becomes unique as well. And more description is also there. Weekend online batches is there. Apply now. Yes, it should be there. And now you can see headline unique, make description unique. We can make description unique. If you click on view ideas as well, it will give you the ideas as well, and the Google's AI tool will also help you, so you can use that. So at least good or excellent should be the strength. Good is the minimum, bare minimum thing that you have to have. And then it says business name and logo. Click on get access. Now it is asking for the access, but in order to have your business logo and name, you have to have your verification completed. We have already discussed about in our previous videos. Now there will be site link extension. We'll talk about in the detail what is site link extension, but as of now you can just understand by this way that if I search for MBA course or any keyword on Google, you can see there are some other factors apart from the headline and description. These are called extension. And there are different kind of extensions. So as of now we are just leaving as it is. Call out extensions are there. There are more types of assets are there. We'll understand in a separate video. Once this is done, just click on done. And you can see the ad copy is created. You can create one more ad copy if you want, or just click on the next one. Now here it asks for the budget, daily budget. And of course, sometimes it asks that whether this is you or not, confirm the identity. So just confirm the identity. And since we have a Google Authenticator with us, so we'll just put it. So we've entered the Google Authenticator code, and that's how it verifies. Now set the budget. By default it will recommend you some budget, but you can use your custom budget as well. So our budget is, let's say, 1500 rupees per day, and based on this budget it is saying me that you may get 8.8 conversion weekly. The cost of conversion will be this, and weekly cost will be this. And it is also saying your budget is lower than the advertiser budget, which may affect performance. Try raising it to at least this. But if your budget is limited, don't go with this. You can still start with 1500 rupees daily budget, and then you can increase it later on based on your performance. Once it is done, click on next. And if there will be any error, it will show you. This will be a final preview screen. And if no errors are there, it will show nothing, and you can finally go and click on the submit button, or it is checking for errors. So just wait for it, because if there are errors, you cannot publish the campaign. Yes, with the warnings you can do that, but with the errors, your campaign will not be able to publish. Yes, so no errors are found. Just click on publish campaign. And once you click on publish campaign, it will be sent in review or preview stage by Google Ads team. And once they approve it, your campaign will start running inside your Google Ads account. So guys, this was the step-by-step demo how to create your campaign, that is search campaign, step-by-step, using all the steps that we have inside the, while creating the campaign, and what is the meaning that we have already discussed in detail in the previous videos, and we have seen a demo. In upcoming videos, we'll see more types of advertisement, more types of option inside Google Ads dashboard, and we'll go in detail so that you never miss any part inside the Google Ads dashboard. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.